Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to Sportibong Zikamala Mbongi Nkosi. Ngithembeni kahle niyaphila. Hey, what an unsuccessful hit watch. Hey ziyakhala ndi ku loudspeaker. You know ukuthi labantu laba man. Once bafika ku final abayithethe. Not unless badlala neKaizer Chiefs. Hey kodwa sikho lapho let's focus on iKaizer Chiefs. I have some updates. Nothing new into esijwayele, just nje ukuthi siya highlight nje phezulu kwaloko okukhona. We know ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs kune game emele idlale nge-23 November. It's a CAF Confederations Cup game versus Al Masry e-Egypt. So manje there's a clash between a game ye CAF Confederations and also a game yaku Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs nge-22 November idlala neMagesi FC. So asazi ke ukuthi will they reschedule that game ye-league or bazoyivumela iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi idlala nge-22 iphinde idlale futhi nange-23. Because okwamanje there's nothing esakhulunyiwe about that, because last season if I remember very well Mamelodi Sundowns behambile yodlala ngaphandle, but yet bekumele badlale kwi-Carling Black Label with ETS Galaxy njoba babahla kuma penalties. So can it be the same case with the Kaizer Chiefs, but we don't know. Ngenzeka ukuthi in the coming days they will announce ukuthi mhlambe kuzoba ne rescheduling or Kaizer Chiefs ngenzeka izithole ukuthi sekumele idlale nge-22 nange-23. But i-depth can allow us ukuthi sidlale ngalawo malanga alandelana. Just that's when ukuthi we have to decide ukuthi strong squad yiso esiyodlala ku CAF Confederations Cup kuma group stages, and then lese senye squad yiso emele sisale behind esodlala against iMagesi. So ke decide between ama coaches wethu, because it seems like now ngathi they are starting to see the light, ukuthi there's light at the end of the tunnel. Mawuthi uyabheka the way iChiefs bazama ukuyishape ngakhona ukuthi idlale ngakhona, they are trying ukuthi at least the team ibe consistent including i-lineup. So sibone nango coach Cedric Gaze update i-bio Instagram yakhe ukuthi from an assistant coach to head coach of Kaizer Chiefs. Kusho ukuthi sebayazithemba manje. It seems like ukuthi the combos are communicating. Kusho kona ukuthi gonna see good result. It's just nje ukuthi it's a matter of time, mele sibe patient. So it's all about that ukuthi ke manje iKaizer Chiefs every time engazathi iyaqala ukubamba iform kuyaphazamiseka, because now there's the international break, and obviously the players were starting to build on the momentum of trying to be consistent nokuthi bawina ama games. We see players like Abu Flavio Silva ukuthi now they are starting to find their rhythm ukuthi okay, I'm a goal scorer, there's no need for me to do a lot of things, just focus on being on the box and score goals. But now there's a concern with that might affect how these players will respond after international break, because lento ihlezi yenza every time abangathi bayaqala ukubamba that momentum kuba ne-international break. So ingaba affecta, because every time masibuya it's either masibuya if beswina sibuyela phezulu kwe-draw or sibuyela phezulu kwe-lose. So ezinye zezinto amele sizifake emqondweni lezo, because we know very well ukuthi isizini yethu kahle kahle asikakabi sure ukuthi now we have turned the corner. It's all about ukuthi sizame ukuhamba with a momentum ukuthi let's try to win ama games, but asikakayitholi leyo nto ukuthi okay sesisharp manje, we are all right, we are capable of competing, we are capable of getting ama results. So it's all about that ukuthi mele sikwazi ukuthola that balance. But I think ukuthi sizofinyelela lapho, but for now let's focus on ukuthi sibhekane nama games esizowadlala. Many people are still worried ke ngendaba ka Eden Chislet kanye Soshinga, including uLuke Bartman, of which kube kwaba nezitori niyazi nani ukuthi cishe kwelinye wanje wabula umuntu ngendaba ukuthi ngathi bazodemote, but wathi no uSD wethu uKaizer Junior Mtaung wathi he's part of the senior setup. So manje ke sokuthi sibalinde ke nabo ukuthi to make their debut, as sisibonile players like abo uGodaro, players like abo Asanele Villepay sekuselele 3 le. So simply means ukuthi nabo angeke sibabone anytime soon. Let's be honest. As coach Cedric Kaze said ukuthi everyone will get their own chance to play. But for now, let's focus on a team ukuthi igrinde ithola ama results, because if you are bigger, the games that you are going to play are not easy games whereby ukuthi ungathatha abantu that haven't played bese uyabalahlela, but you have players that you already know ukuthi basishaya ispan. So it simply means ukuthi maybe bangalinda igame yabo Magesi, balinde bo Al Masry, because ama fixture wethu ama games nje angazathi azoba difficult, but kona nje into emele siyifake emqondweni ukuthi let's be patient, bazothi mase ba right ke bafila ngazathi sebaba ngaba introducer bazobalahlela. I just feel ukuthi ngaba the same way the way bayenza ngakhona kubo Villepay kubo Maboy ukuthi let's let the team ukuthi at least mase ngathi ya enjoy ubumnandi, at least bayawina kahle convincing, siyabafaka so that they can try ukuthi babe integrated. Hayi ukuthi uyomfaka umuntu useka under pressure whereby ukuthi you are losing, but now mfake uwina wazi ukuthi okay mase kayiqale kanje kuba simple for yena. So all I can say ukuthi bazodlala makhosi, ningabajahi sizofika isikhathi sabo, but for now let's support the ones that are playing, because yibo so far basasikhombisa ukuthi okay they are capable. It's just nje one thing they are struggling with, consistency. Let them babe right ngendaba consistency, and then we'll take it from there. So sibonile bafethi lokho sonke ukuthi number 1 abafana beshushane Mbiyane Mamelodi Sundowns, number 2 ezimnyama ngenkani ezakebhulu mhlabathi kaMasipala zawubhekisa phezulu, then ke number 3 Kaizer Chiefs empofana ezikashintsha Guluva, the mighty Glamour Boys. Mina kube kuyangami, I'd say ukuthi personally I'd wish ukuthi iphele kanje isizini lock ikanje, because that shows ukuthi at least the big 3 now there's improvement from Kaizer Chiefs from number 9 to number 3, but I cannot say ukuthi ngikala ngamehlo Kaizer Chiefs njengamanzi okupheka uphuthu, but all I can say ukuthi it will be better ukuthi bahlale laphana compare ukuthi sibafake under pressure ukuthi ba compete for league. Yes, if they are capable, if they have it in them ukuthi ba compete, let them do that. But for now into engayi advise ukuthi let's not expect ukuthi singawin league, but let's try to support abajita while they are grinding for a result, because for now if you're gonna play with expectations we're gonna get disappointed, and we know ukuthi how we react whenever we get disappointed by Kaizer Chiefs. Akubi mnandi. Yes, the season when they've started we all were pushing for them ukuthi bawine league, but this time must figure sathola Istanbul block whereby ukuthi things were no longer going according to how they were supposed to be, shama draws. But now we managed to win 3 games in a row, of which it is a good thing for Chiefs. So let's work on with at least slogu sizama win ama games, so bona sesibona sekuyopheliseka, because to be honest Kaizer Chiefs this season they are the dark horse. Nothing huge is expected from them, but they keep on disappointing, keep on improving every game. So that is what we must focus on. Singafaki kwi-dress unnecessary. If there's an opportunity for them ukuthi ba challenge for the league, let them do so, but singabafakeli unnecessary pressure. Coming from number 9 to number 1, it is something I'd say ukuthi it's a miracle yodinga omunye umlingo, but engakusho nje mina kukodwa ukuthi if bekuyangami the way neyibona nani lokho ngabe kuphela kanje, bese ngabuyela futhi ku CAF Confederations, and then we will take it from there, build a team that we know very well ukuthi at least now next season we'll have a mandate ukuthi we are competing in all the competitions. Now it will be MTN 80, Black Label Carling Cup, Nedbank Cup, Betway Premiership, CAF Confederation. So in all the tournaments that we'll participate in, kusho kwana ke ukuthi it will give us a chance ukuthi singalithola i-draw. Even this season we can try ukuthi defend iNedbank Cup, but there's no certainty ukuthi singayiwina. But the thing ukuthi for now, let's just push abachita ukuthi to keep on fighting to get those results. But let's not expect anything, because we know ukuthi unspoken expectations lead to premeditated resentment, and the lento leyo ayifuneki, because this season the way siziphethe kahle ngakhona akuna referee okatshiwe, akuna coach oshawe ngegubhu, akuna makhabishi aphonsiwe groundini. It is because we see what coach Nabi last season was trying to build, it is now showing result manje, because uKhalil noKaze, they are continuing where Unabi left off. I'd say it is a continuity. Yes, even though we had our own doubts, but now it is no time for doubt. It's for us to be optimistic. Ukuthi sibheke the team, everyone involved, technical team, management, and the players. Yabo, simply means that. So I don't know ukuthi nina niyibona kanjani lena, but I think ukuthi for iKaizer Chiefs, let's take it one step at a time. Washo uMiguel ukuthi we will build it break by break. Yozihlangana kancane kancane. This is it for today.